There is a problem almost nobody talks about on architecture of virtualization system. Most traditional virtualization systems require a matchmaker, a scheduler, a vCenter, or a kind of centralized service that acts as a single point of failure for the whole infrastructure. That's a vulnerability, that's a constraint. And that's something that at Elemento we solved through C4, our patented protocol, which stands for Cloud Compute Common Connector. C4 is Elemento's patented protocol that has been patented or published in Italy, Europe, India, China, Korea, Japan, Israel, and the US. It allows every AtomOS server to automatically discover its neighbors, to self-organize as a cluster without manual configuration and stay synchronized in a fully distributed way without a central master. C4 implies that if a node goes down, the others keep on running. And if you happen to be willing to add a node for upgrading or increasing the size and the capacity of your infrastructure, the cluster is automatically picking the new node, configuring it without even a human intervention. That's what we call the lack of single point of failures. This is not just a technical advantage. This is an economic one, a strategic one. It eliminates the need for licensing and maintaining an additional and separated management layer, giving to organizations virtualization infrastructures that can scale and self-organize and maintain. C4 is what makes Elemento really unique, and it is now at the heart of every AtomOS deployment.